Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Goods. Today we're diving deep into the Mirador 111S outdoor aluminum pergola with adjustable louvered roof. If you've been dreaming of upgrading your outdoor space but aren't sure about taking the plunge, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from assembly to real-world performance, and I'll give you my honest take on whether this pergola is worth your investment. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future outdoor living reviews. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what you're actually getting. The Mirador 111S comes with the adjustable louvers and all the anchor and mounting materials you need to secure it. However, and this is important, foundation materials are not included. You'll need to prepare your concrete pad or foundation separately, so factor that into your budget and timeline. This is a common practice in the industry, but it's definitely something to be aware of before you make your purchase. Now let's get into the features that make this pergola stand out. One of my favorite features is the built-in drainage system. Rainwater doesn't just sit on top. It flows through channels hidden inside the columns and exits through notches at the base. I actually tested this myself with a garden hose, and I can confirm that not a single drop made it through to the covered area. This is a game changer if you live in rainy climates or want to use your outdoor space year-round. The star of the show is definitely the adjustable louvered roof. You can tilt these louvers anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, giving you complete control over your environment. Want full sun for your morning coffee? Open them up. Need shade during the afternoon heat? Close them partially. Rain rolling in? Angle them for complete protection. This versatility means you're not locked into one configuration. Your pergola adapts to whatever Mother Nature throws at you. Let's talk construction quality. The frame is powder-coated aluminum, while the louvers themselves are galvanized steel. This combination is specifically designed to resist rust and weather damage. Unlike wood pergolas that require constant maintenance, staining, and sealing, the Mirador is essentially set it and forget it. The powder coating adds an extra layer of protection and gives it that premium look that won't fade over time. Mirador claims easy assembly, and based on real user feedback, they're not exaggerating. The parts come prefabricated with straightforward instructions. No welding required, no specialized tools, just a fully charged power drill and some basic DIY skills. We'll talk more about the assembly process in a minute. So how does it actually go together? According to verified buyers, one person completed assembly in about half a day, roughly 5 to 6 hours. However, here's the reality. While much of it can be done solo, you really want a second person for certain steps. The most critical point is when you're standing up the pergola to connect the two half pieces. This absolutely requires two people and some careful adjustment to slide the top beams into place. One reviewer mentioned having two power drills and two ladders significantly sped things up, which is a pro tip worth remembering. Another buyer who installed it alongside an existing electric pergola noted it took their team about 5 to 6 hours, possibly 3 to 4 people if you're not experienced with this type of project. They emphasized packing patience to get it built correctly, especially if you're elevating and anchoring it to align with existing structures. The bottom line? Budget a full day, recruit a helper, make sure your power tools are charged, and you'll be enjoying your new outdoor space by evening. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The water test results are impressive. When simulating rain with a garden hose, the drainage system worked flawlessly. The structural integrity is solid. Users describe it as sturdy and super solid even after installation. One important consideration is that Mirador recommends opening the louvers and removing any shades during snow or high winds. This isn't a structural flaw. It's smart engineering. By opening the louvers, you prevent snow accumulation and reduce wind resistance, which protects your investment long-term. Think of it like putting your convertible top down in a car wash. You're working with the design, not against it. The aesthetic integration is another win. One reviewer successfully blended it with an existing electric pergola, showing it can adapt to various outdoor setups without looking like an afterthought. The powder-coated finish maintains its appearance without fading, and the overall look is clean and modern, fitting well with contemporary outdoor design trends. Let's break down the advantages and limitations. On the positive side, you get weather-adaptive versatility with adjustable louvers that give you complete control. The excellent integrated drainage keeps your space completely dry even during heavy rain. The rust-resistant materials require minimal maintenance compared to wood alternatives. The assembly time is reasonable for a DIY project at around 5 to 6 hours with help. The construction is solid and sturdy, giving you confidence in its longevity. You get a premium aesthetic that blends with various outdoor designs. No specialized tools or welding are required, making it accessible to most DIYers. On the downside, foundation materials are not included, which adds extra cost and preparation time to your project. You definitely need 2 people for key assembly steps, so plan accordingly. The louvers require manual adjustment before severe weather, which means you need to stay proactive. Even with help, you may need 5 to 6 hours for assembly, or longer if you're new to this type of project. The initial investment is higher than basic pergola designs, though the quality justifies the price difference. So who should consider the Mirador 111S? This pergola is perfect for homeowners who want year-round outdoor living flexibility without being limited by weather conditions. DIY enthusiasts comfortable with moderate assembly projects will appreciate the straightforward installation process. People in variable climates who need sun, shade, and rain protection will get the most value from the adjustable features. Anyone looking for a low-maintenance alternative to wood pergolas will love the minimal upkeep required. Outdoor entertainers who want to use their space regardless of weather will find this incredibly useful. Homeowners seeking a premium aesthetic without ongoing upkeep will appreciate the durable finish. This probably isn't the best choice if you're looking for the absolute cheapest option available on the market. If you need professional installation anyway, you might want to consider other options. Similarly, if you want a completely hands-off setup process, this might not be your best fit. How does the Mirador 111S stack up against competitors? The integrated drainage system sets it apart from many budget louvered pergolas that simply let water pool or drip through gaps. The combination of aluminum frame with galvanized steel louvers offers better durability than all aluminum systems, while being more rust-resistant than all steel options. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds. The DIY-friendly design with prefabricated parts makes it more accessible than pergolas requiring professional installation, potentially saving you thousands in labor costs. The manual adjustment is simpler and more reliable than motorized systems, with fewer parts that can fail over time. While it lacks the convenience of remote control found in premium motorized versions, you gain reliability and lower maintenance requirements. The Mirador 111S delivers on its promise of transforming your outdoor living space. The adjustable louvers and drainage system provide genuine all-weather functionality that you'll use throughout the year. The materials ensure long-term durability without constant maintenance requirements. The assembly process, while time-consuming, is manageable for DIYers with basic skills and a helper. If you're ready to invest in a quality outdoor structure that adapts to your needs and provides reliable protection in various weather conditions, the Mirador 111S is a solid choice that should serve you well for years to come. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop any questions in the comments below, and subscribe for more outdoor living reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.